Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your username on Instagram. What you need to do. First, just go to Instagram and log in, and then you click in your profile icon. Click here, profile, and then edit profile. Here the username. Just write your new name. And then scroll down and click here, submit. But I will not do that because I don't want to change the name. This is what you need to do. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.